Hi, I'm Sarah, and I wanted to walk you through making our granola mix real quick. First, I want to say that we did not misspell granola. We just wanted to advertise the fact that we have a lot of our whole grains in it. It actually has 3 cups of organic rolled oats, 2/3 cup of wheat middlings, 1/4 cup of whole wheat and sifted wheat flour, 1/4 cup of buckwheat flour, and 1/4 cup of blue cornmeal. So all of these grains were grown and milled on our farm, so it is 100% Brian Severson Farm product. The granola kit is actually really easy to make. Pour the kit into a bowl and mix by hand. All you have to add is 2/3 cup of honey and 1/3 cup of oil. Toss it to combine. If you want to make it more interesting, you can add 1/4 cup of nuts, seeds, or dried fruit, but that's optional. And if you do add nuts and seeds, you would want to add that before you bake it, and if you add dried fruit, you would want to add that after you bake it. Spread the granola in a thin layer on a grease sheet pan. Bake at 250 degrees for an hour to an hour and a half, or until crisp. Be careful not to overbake it. Toss it lightly with a metal spatula every 20 minutes when it's baking, and then cool at room temperature when it's all done. And don't forget to store it in an airtight container.